Hi everyone! So, nandito na naman po tayo sa ating panibagong video wherein ituturo sa inyo kung paano tayo magre-register sa ating Virtual Inset 2.0 na gaganapin simula August 30 up to September 3. But before we start, if you're just new to this channel, please don't forget to click subscribe, and don't forget also to click the notification bell down below so that you'll get notified for my upcoming videos. Alright? Okay, so Virtual Inset Training 2.0, the DepEd Learning Management System will open the Virtual Inset 2.0 course on August 30. So that means Monday po siya mag-open exactly on August 30, 2021. And then, so here are our DepEd Learning Management Direct URL. Ayan. So, ito yung isang madaling step. You can just copy this kung saang region ka kabilang, and then paste it to your browser, and then madidirect ka na sa LMS. Okay, don't worry, I'll be copy and I will be posting this on the description box. Alright? Copy, paste nyo lang dito sa inyong browser yung link kung anong gagamitin yung PDLMS or DLMS. Okay, so since ako ay nasa NCR2, ito yung aking gagamiting link. And then, pinost ko na sa aking browser, and then I'll just click enter. And so, ito na yung ating LMS. So, just click DepEd Commons for Teachers. So, pero kung napalimutan mo yung password mo, just click this forgotten your username or password. Okay? But then, hindi natin to gagawin kasi nga, more on login lang po tayo. Ayan. So, ito po yung sinasabi kanina. Meron tayong dalawang option. Continue with your Google accounts or continue with your Microsoft account. So, pipiliin ko is with my Microsoft account, and then lalabas na kung ano yung tenant natin. So, my tenant is NCR2. Alright. Ayan. And then, I'll just click sign in. Alright. Okay. So, ito na yung ating LMS. So, click site home. And then, ito yung lalabas. So, ito yung kiklik natin. Professional Development. Ayan. So, as you can see, ngayon lang siya lumabas. Okay. So, Virtual In-Service Training 2.0. Okay. So, dito natin kakailanganin si password natin or si key natin. So, let's click Key Access. Okay. So, let's key in our password. Ayan. So, capital letter Inset NCR2. Click Enroll Me. So, as you can see here, meron na tayong nakalagay na you are enrolled in the course. And you can see it here now. Alright, so we can check the announcement. You can just click this for the day 1, this one for the day 2, and so on and so forth. Right, so here we have for DepEd teachers and employees, you may enroll in the Virtual Inset 2.0 course in your regional DLMS by doing the following steps. Alright, so letter A, LMS portal. Punta kayo sa LMS portal and then DepEd Commons and then click DepEd LMS. So how are you going to do this? So let's go to the step 1. Go to https://lms.deped.gov.ph. Alright, and then you will see there region. Kung you will just click kung anong region ka kabilang. Let's say for example, kapag nasa NCR ka, nahati sa dalawa ang NCR. So, NCR 1 and NCR 2 kung nasaan kang division or nasaang region ka, doon ka magkiklik. And then, click DepEd Commons for Teachers. And then, wait for it to be loaded. And then, DepEd Commons website to load. Choose the sign in either your Google accounts or with your Microsoft accounts. Type in all your credentials and authorize DepEd Commons to use your account. And then step 5, click Site Home and search for the Professional Development category. And number 6, click Virtual In-Service Training 2.0 course. And lastly, type in your enrollment key and click Proceed. Ayan. So, we have here an enrollment key, and I will be showing it to you later on. Okay, so here's another way to register on our virtual inset, right? So you can type https://commons.deped.gov.ph and then click DepEd LMS portal. Step 2, click login as teaching or non-teaching personnel, and then step 3, click sign in with either with your Google account or with Microsoft account. Step 4, type in your login credentials. So, ito yung mga hinihingi sa ating mga credentials natin dun sa pag-login natin. Step 5, select your regional DLMS cluster in the drop-down options. Then, click Go to LMS. So, dito kung saang region ka kabilang. Right? And then, step 6, click DepEd Commons Teachers in your regional DLMS. Step 7, click Site Home and search for the Professional Development category. Step 8, click Virtual in Service Training 2.0 course. Lastly, type in your enrollment key and click Proceed. Alright? So, for DepEd personal naman, without DepEd email, or for private school teachers and EdTech enthusiasts, parents, and students, you may also join this Inset Service or In-Service Training 2.0 course. So how are you going to enroll? So step 1, just key in https://training.deped.gov.ph and type in your login credentials. Ayan. So these are your informations. Alright? And then step 2, click Site Home and search for Professional Development category. Now, step 3, select Webinar Series 2021 in the subcategories, and then step 4, click Virtual In-Service Training 2.0 course, and lastly, type in your enrollment key and click Proceed. Right? Next, here are the virtual inset participants and then the enrollment key and then the URL. Right? So for private school teachers, Vincent Private School Teachers. So as you can see, all the enrollment key are typed in caps lock form or capitalized letters. So as you can see also, wala po silang space. Okay? Ayan. Don't worry. Ay, kita nyo rin po ito sa ating description box. Alright? Next, another, ayan, please, it says here, please make sure that the enrollment key has no spaces. Okay? Next, and last reminder for us, click the link to be guided on creating your account in PDLMS. So, if you can just click this link, makikita nyo dito yung video on how are you going to create your account to PDLMS. And as well as click the link to reset your passwords in the PDLMS if just in case you have forgotten your password. Or click the link to be guided on resetting your passwords in the PDLMS. Ayan. So, I will be providing also this link for you to be guided properly. Alright? So, I hope makatulong po ito sa inyo, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment down below. Thank you and happy learning to all of us.